client was ordering coffee. What came to your mind? Was he establishing a small company? Was he a musician? Was he going to perform a konobo? Or is he a composer? Or was going to perform a jig?
Music. Omuntu oyo ze yasasula walowooza ki ku bintu byali kyajja mu mutwe gwo?
Omuntu waba agula ebyuma, bagula ebyuma kubikozesa for events, bagula ebyuma okubipangisa abantu abendala babyetaaga. So client waba
in your diploma of journalism, you don't study basic mathematics?
There's no mathematics in journalism.
So, I thought some of the women who don't want to be very strict about their ages, but even men, and looking at this form of yours, which you filled in, and the competition you get, was this indicated in the river upon them, and is that what you said?
Akaleyo China ogambye yekola ebyuma ebyo ate babisindikanga bamaze okusasula ssente obukiko bwazo.
Company is a manufacturing company, and you deliver after all things done.
So what is the status of this equipment, of which you have received about 70%, some percentage, a good percentage of the amount? What became of the equipment?
Ebyuma byakolebwa era client akyabangibwa era client yasalawo oba ebyuma byabyagala oba tabyagala.
Equipments were manufactured and the client is the one to decide whether he wants his equipment or not, but we still demand some of the product.
How many statements did you make at police? Did you make any statements at police?
Yes.
How many? And then I had to such big amounts.
Ekituufu naye sizikwata olaga lwaso kuba zaali nnyingi.
That's all I want. One of them, omukyala yakolagana ne Sipapa, and they had their own arrangements. Yali amwewolako sente, and he had some money, and he had also pledged some vehicle. Bayagala kumwongera ku sente because she said she was a money lender. Owokubiri was some person who received some money from Sipapa, and Sipapa akoze order for musical instruments. So we bujulizi obadde mu kooti leero.
Obujulizi tebubaddemu bituli byonna.
Muwere ekyebutuli siyinza kukyogerako, mwabalabye muyinza okukyogerako. We do our bit and we leave it because there are some things which are not in dispute. There was some money transferred, there were some vehicles, yeah, that is what is it.
kanso kyekiddako oluvannyuma singa omuntu akomawo oluvannyuma lw'okubanga what is next?
Well, that is a question which he should answer. Kubanga ekyo sinza kumugamba nti agenda kukola kino oba atandikire bwe yakoma, I don't know. Nange namulabirawo mu press nali simumanyi nnyo kiwanvu. So that's a question he can best answer. But that is at the tail end. When things have worked out the way we expect or want them to. Kati ekyo ayinza okukiddamu.
Ku experience yo, omusango guno okukuwangula okutandikira ku emu paka 10 oyimiriddewo.
As of now, kubanga sagala kukommenting, as I said, 7 witnesses out of 20. We don't know abalala what they have to say. But so far, we've not yet gotten threatened. Kikyali bulungi. We're still positive.
Mukomawo dde mu kkooti
21st.
this month.
21st this month, yeah. So 9 days from now.